My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2014 Vauxhall Ampera. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 66,000 miles with an automatic transmission. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen we can get access to climate control, radio, favourites and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We also have heated seats on either side. If we click this button here, we can access our charging. And if we click this button here, we can access our different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.